top 5 French Avenue fragrances?
Oh, it's very easy. Number 1, Liquid Brown.
I personally, I don't like it either, but then a lot of people like it.
So the first one is Office.
Vulcan Fuel.
Hey guys, I'm at Cosmoprof and मैं आई हूँ French Avenue के booth पे. तो let's check out the amazing stuff that they've got. Okay, let me show you the 5 most premium smelling French Avenue fragrances जो यहाँ पर मैंने देखे हैं. Okay, so first one, Scarlet Veneno. ठीक है, this is basically inspired by Dolce and Gabbana Q. Next one is Vulcan 4 and this is inspired by God of Fire. Next one is Safari Breeze and this is inspired by Tales of Zanzibar. क्या guava की smell आती है यार इसमें से. Next one is Royal Blend Sequoia and this is inspired by Killian Angel Share Parody. Basically what this is इसमें ना एक fruit का twist है. Like okay, it's an inspired fragrance but there's a twist in it. इसमें ना आपको एक fruity berry like essence भी मिलेगा. Last में है हमारे पास Veneno Bianco और ये किससे inspired है आप तो guess ही नहीं कर पाओगे. किससे inspired है पता है? Bianco Latte. Now what I'm going to show you is basically for all my Gen Z people. This is Street Origins by Fragrance World and they have like the best Gen Z fragrances for all occasions. First one is Drenched in London and it's very classy just like London and this is inspired by Creed Silver Mountain. Next one is Hawaii Ting and this beachy fragrance is inspired by Bulgari Tiger. Next one is Ibiza Boom and this is inspired by Aqua di Gio for men. Next one is Manila Manic and this is inspired by Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill. And come here, let me show you this last one. ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting है. This one is Mauritius Touch and this is inspired by 1 Million Elixir. Let me tell you something. ये सारे के सारे जो inspired versions मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, they are not like copy. There's a reason I'm saying inspired. It's because it's not an exact replica. इसमें ना सारे फ्रेग्रेंसेस में थोड़े थोड़े फन ट्विस्ट्स होते हैं. Okay, so we are going to do a quick rapid fire with scent वाले भैया. So I'm going to ask you कि कौन सा fragrance इनमें से कहाँ लगाकर जा सकते हैं. Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is Office.
Vulcan Fuel.
Okay, School.
Again Vulcan Fuel.
Okay, Date Night.
आग बंद करके Liquid Brown. आग बंद करके.
All right. Okay, College.
College. I think this Naxos alternative that they have. This one. This Fiat Luna. Amazing. Very elegant as well. बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay, and the last one, शादी या फिर कोई ट्रेडिशनल ओकेजन.
रॉयल ब्लेंड. जिनको खामरा पसंद है, ये असली खामरा का इंस्पिरेशन, ये क्लोजेस्ट है उस ओरिजिनल के. वेरी नाइस. बूजी है, क्लासी, एलिगेंट है. A1.
Awesome. चैंपियन गोट की पैकेजिंग तो बहुत ही सही है यार. अब देखते हैं कि इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस कैसी है. बढ़िया है, काफ़ी मैनली फ्रेग्रेंस है यार. वेरी मैस्कुलिन फ्रेग्रेंस, क्वाइट फ्रेश एक्चुअली. चैंपियन शुगर है भाई, बॉक्सिंग ग्लव के साथ आता है. डबल यूज. थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी है. इट्स लाइक अ वार्म इश फ्रेग्रेंस. थोड़ा सा स्वीट नोट्स भी है इसमें बट दिस इज गिविंग वेरी शुगर डैडी. दिस वन इज चैंपियन मनी. लेट्स सी इफ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट माई मनी ऑन दिस और नॉट. Okay, this is a very unique kind of fragrance. थोड़ा सा grassy element मुझे इसमें feel हो रहा है. It's like you can almost feel the खच of cash. Such a cute little bag and it's so nice and chic and oh, it's like इसको मैं खा जाऊंगी. बहुत ही fruity and sweet fragrance है. So if you're somebody who's like really chic and you're like the bubbly girl of college, this is definitely your fragrance. I just love reviewing these fragrances. They are like these cute little bags. So nice and floral and very feminine vibe this is. Obviously this is feminine, I mean look at the bag. But this is like really floral. It's very soothing, very sober. Hey guys, today we are at Cosmoprof and we have met Chetan Singh over here जिनसे मैं पूछने वाली हूँ थोड़े से amazing questions. So Chetan, what are
Yes,
your
ma'am.
top 5 French Avenue fragrances?
Oh, it's very easy. Number 1, Liquid Brown. Number 2, Azure Root. That's my favorite, the closest alternative of Maracuja. Number 3, Avenue Bay, right? It's again very good strawberry with a hint of muskiness as well. It's very fruity, very rejuvenating.
So guys, I am with Trish. She's the brand manager of Street Origins and हम उनसे पूछने वाले हैं कि क्यों इन city based fragrances के नाम ऐसे हैं. So let's start with Bisou Bisou Paris.
Okay, so it's very common culture in Paris for people to kiss each other when they greet each other, and so bisou bisou actually just means kisses kisses.
The next one is Mumbai Husk.
I think this goes without saying. If you know Mumbai at all, you'll know how hardworking the people are over here and how much they hustle every single day. So this is one fragrance. If you smell it, it's a little spicy, it's a little fresh. It's got aqua notes in it, and it's perfect for like an everyday wear kind of a fragrance. And that's why it was built with as an EDP perfume with 25% oil, so that it can go long and hard like every day.
The next one is Skin, Sand and Santorini.
Okay, so this one is a very romantic fragrance. Imagine being by the beachside with maybe a partner, and you know, there's skin, your legs are dipped in sand, and you're in Santorini. That's literally the dream.
Lovely. Now the next one, this one is a little spicy. This one is Bangkok Guilt.
So I think everyone can have their own version of why it's been named that way. So you have your own guilty story, you know. But I think guilt is because Bangkok is the kind of place where everyone that I've spoken to has a different memory of, but usually they're not too proud of it, but they're happy about it.
And the final one is Hawaii Ting.
You know, it's like that sweet thing, that soft thing, that romantic thing. So that's what inspired the name. So Hawaii Ting is like for that little fling that you've probably had during summertime by the beach. And yeah, those are just little Hawaii things that you can be happy about.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we are here at Cosmoprof and we have
Hi.
Matthew from
Hi.
Smellbound and we will be asking him chote-mote questions. So Matthew, what are your top 5 fragrances from French Avenue?
I've been collecting French Avenue for a while. My first would be the Exotic Rose. Then I really like Vulcan Fay. Then also like Vulcan, the pink one. And then also I really like the watermelon one, which is the Atlantis. And I really like the Neeps collection also from Aromatics. They also are really great. So I think very long lasting, mind blowing.
So guys, I hope you like this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. एंड अगर आपको इन फ्रेग्रेंसेस के बारे में कोई भी डिटेल्स चाहिए तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. और मैंने वैसे भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे रेलेवेंट लिंक्स डाल दिए हैं, सो डोंट वरी. मिलते हैं जल्दी एक बढ़िया से अगले वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए लुक क्लासी एंड स्टे सैवेज.